giving the minimum amount of time to a
what the law
dangerous sex
requires.
offender weighs higher than protecting the community. That's what she just revealed to you.
That is not what I said.
And she has not found one
The court,
case.
the court,
she hasn't found one
the court
case.
requires you to order the sentence.
Go ahead.
The sentence necessary to protect the community.
A fiery Wisconsin Supreme Court debate last night exclusively on WISN 12. 12 News political director Matt Smith moderating the debate alongside Jaron Jordan.
And Matt, some remarkable moments playing out there at the table in front of you.
Both on and off camera in the debate hall that night as the two candidates, Susan Crawford backed by Democrats and Brad Schimel backed by Republicans, faced off in their only debate. And the entire state Supreme Court watching along. That unprecedented sight, all 7 sitting Wisconsin Supreme Court justices inside the debate hall Wednesday night. The candidates Susan Crawford and Brad Schimel just feet away.
If you told me 5 years ago the Wisconsin Supreme Court would be going through a political agenda.
Taking on the justices head on. Do you agree with Justice Protasiewicz, who once called those maps rigged?
Well, I looked at that decision.
All in a race that has become anything but typical.
Let's not be in fantasy land. This is the way that campaigns are run now. I'm not saying it's the best way at all, and I think our challenge is to find better ways. But we've got to deal with the reality. This is not Alice in Wonderland.
Retiring Justice Ann Walsh Bradley, whom Crawford or Schimel will replace, with the blunt assessment, just how political these races have become and embracing it.
I think it's unseemly. I don't think they should have been in the hall, let alone standing at a press conference.
I was shocked when I learned that all 7 justices on the court today were there.
The 4 liberal justices literally standing behind Crawford in the spin room endorsing her, before waiting in the wings as conservative Justice Rebecca Bradley endorsed Schimel.
He didn't have to do it. He does it out of a sense of calling and to save this state from a tyranny of 4 people making all the decisions for the people of Wisconsin. Those decisions belong with the people and their elected representatives.
It is a bitterly divided court tonight, with Justice Ann Walsh Bradley, a liberal justice, retiring. Control of the court is at stake, and that is why this race is so high profile. Reporters from across the country, including the Washington Post and the Wall Street Journal, also inside the debate hall last night.
And everybody watching, part of the discussion focused on the amount of money spent in this race.
Record spending at this point nationally again for a state court race, estimates reaching $60 million tonight and counting.
All right, political director Matt Smith, you and Jaron did a great job. Thank you. And if you missed the debate or want to watch it again, we have the entire debate posted for you right now on the 12 News mobile app.